In this last video, we will show you the most common penalties in the two-player game and how those penalties are played out afterwards. We will also show you how those penalties are scored on your scorecard. Finally, we're going to show you a completed two-player scorecard. This first example shows a wrong move penalty. The penalty caller earns 25 points for their opponent's wrong move. The penalty caller will also take over any remaining moves prior to taking their regular turn. Okay, I'm going to take the 6 of hearts, the 8 of marquees. I'm going to take the 10 of hearts and put it over the 1 of emeralds. I am going to...
Penalty. Look what you just did. You put your 10 of hearts over the 6 of rubies instead of...
okay.
So you put that back. Now I'm going to take the remainder of your turn after I give myself 25 points for your penalty. That goes in the penalty box. And I am going to play out your turn. So I'll take your suggestion. I'll put my 10 of hearts over the 1 of emeralds. I'm going to take the 4 of hearts, the 5 of rubies. I'm going to move the 6 of rubies over. I'll take the 2 of marquees. I'll move the 10 of hearts up. I'll put the 1 of emeralds over the 10 of hearts. And then I'll remove the 1 of emeralds.
How many extra cards did you just get?
So I just got 5 cards worth 20 points over your mistake. So that's 20 points extra for me. I take my penalty jewel back.
So you got 20 points plus 25 penalty points.
Right, and now I move my penalty player turn jewel to my side because now I'm going to take my regular turn. So I'm going to take the 2 of emeralds, the 9 of emeralds, the 3 of rubies, the 6 of rubies. I'll move the 10 of emeralds down and the 7 rubies up. So I got 4 cards on my turn.
The next example shows a missed move penalty. The penalty caller earns 25 points for their opponent's missed move. The penalty caller will also take over any remaining moves prior to taking their regular turn. Okay, I am going to take off the 3 of marquees, the 2 of rubies. I'm going to take the 1 of marquees and put it over the 10 of rubies. I'm going to take off the 1 of marquees. And here.
Penalty. You missed a move.
Where?
The 4. I'm going to take off the 4 of marquees. So I get 25 points for that missed move. I am going to go to my scorecard and take another 25 points. I'm going to take my jewel back. And now we're going to go on to the next turn. Oh, this is my turn. I'm going to take the 5 of emeralds, the 1 of hearts, and the 7 of emeralds.
This next example shows an incorrect deal penalty. The penalty caller earns 25 points for the dealer's incorrect deal. How many cards are left?
I have 8 cards.
Okay. I'm going to take the 6 of marquee, the 9 of marquee, and the 2 of hearts.
Okay, last deal. Oh no. I am missing a card.
Penalty. Okay, so the
All
penalty
right,
is an
that is an incorrect card deal penalty.
So then I get 25 points.
Okay, on Gary's scorecard, I'm scoring him 25 penalty points.
Okay.
What happened was somewhere during the game, I must have made a dealing error, and that's why there were only 3 cards left, which I did not notice until just now. I am going to put the 1 of rubies over the 10 of marquees. I will take the 9 of hearts. I'll take the 4 of emeralds. I'll take the 1 of rubies. And that's all I have. I have ended the game with 5 cards, which is 50 points.
This example shows a last round 4x penalty. The player with the X in their hand receives a 100-point penalty, which is awarded to their opponent.
Okay, last turn. Last deal. Do I have no moves here? 5, 8, 10, 3. No moves.
Okay, I'm calling a big penalty on you.
Why?
There's only 3 X's out, 3 10s. And I've already checked and I know that I do not have them, so you have to have them somewhere in your hands.
No.
So you took that during the game.
No.
And that's a 100-point penalty.
Oh man, Gary gets 100 points to end the game. And none of this counts.
And there was no other moves to go, right?
There's no moves.
Now I'll be filling in my last round of a game we just played. Finally, I will total up the points for that finished game. Melissa and I just finished a game, and here's how the last round ended. I ended up with 12 cards left on the board, leaving me with 0 dealer points for that round. I was able to remove 14 cards from the board during that round. 14 cards times 5 points each will give me 70 player points, which we'll put in the player point column. I did not win any card run bets, but I did receive 25 penalty points for a mistake that Melissa made. The total for this round is 95 points. I add that to all my prior rounds for a grand total of 805 points for the game.